Hello everyone, this is Inez, and I wanted to share with you my first cat's meow for this year, and it's from Keimig. So thank you, Kathy. It is a huge box. So what did you do, Kathy? So I've opened the box, but I haven't looked in it. So we're going to look in it together. The cat's meow is a swap over at minialbumscraps.com, and it is a lot of fun. If you have not joined or check it out, I advise you to go over to Mass and check it out. This is my second year joining, and it's a lot of fun. I've had a lot of fun swapping with these very crafty ladies. Take a look at this card. Oh, how beautiful. Look at that. Lovely ray of flowers. That's gorgeous. It's got some texture to the paper and everything. Whoop. Well, let's see if we can't open it here. All right, let's see here. It's got a little note here. It's got another note in here. It says, I hope you enjoyed your cat's meow. My schedule was so busy, now I had to get this done early. I haven't decided which April swap to do. It won't be many as time does not permit. Oh, okay. I always love it when I get your projects and swaps. They are so beautiful. I had a lot of fun putting this together for you. If you already have something I sent you, feel free to re-gift it. Oh, well, thank you. Enjoy, hugs, Kathy. All right, and I'm sure I will enjoy everything you sent, and I'll read this one a little later. I am more than sure I will enjoy everything. I am a huge fan of your craft work myself, and I love when I receive things from you, Kathy. You do such beautiful work. So thank you, and I'm super excited. So let's get this started because it is a big box. So it's going to take me a little while to get through it. So thank you so much, Kathy. First things first, look at all this ribbon. Wow. Oh, I love this. You know, I'm working on a project, and this ribbon is going to come in very handy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look at this color. Isn't that gorgeous? It's kind of that felt. Oh, this is gorgeous ribbon. Thank you. And the floral one. This pink felt one. Oh, this is nice. Thank you. They're all felt. Thank you so much. I love the color. Thank you. Thank you, Kathy. This is very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. My favorite color, purple. I love it. Thank you. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Look at this. Aww. This is cute. It's got a pen and everything. Aww, this is cute. So you gotta take the pen out to open. Oh, cool. I love it. See, you lock it back up with the pen. How cool is that? I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, this is kind of heavy. Oh, I like the flower. Very nice. Thank you. Let's see what goodies we have in here. I'm telling you, ladies, this Cat's Meow swaps are amazing. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, some beads. Thank you so much. Oh, I needed some beads. Thank you. And the colors are perfect. I love them. Thank you so much. Oh, I love them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I needed some beads. Let's see what's in here. I can reuse these flowers. That's what I like about it. I love it. And I'll take them off later and reuse them. Thank you. Oh, more beads. How awesome. Thank you. These are awesome. Thank you so much, Kathy. I love them. Thank you. I needed some beads. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. They're going to come in so handy. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I love the ribbon. Reusable. I like that. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's an embellished mirror. Thank you so much. I love it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, my favorite color, purple. Thank you so much, Kathy. This is so gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you. What an idea. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Let's see what's next. More ribbon, reusable. I like that. Let's see here. Oh, Kathy, awesome. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I don't have these. And I was going to buy me some tags. I've been wanting these. Die cut tags. Thank you so much. Oh, Kathy, you outdid yourself. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. And the funny thing, I was looking at to buying me some of these, just like these, and I said, oh, I'll wait. And look, you surprised me. Thank you. These are awesome. Thank you so much. Love them. Thank you. That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much. Uh-oh, what do we got in here? Let's see. Reusable ribbon. Love it. All right, a present. I love presents. Let's open these presents up. Cut this open right here. There we go. Oh, how awesome! They're jumper rings, silver jumper rings. Thank you so much. Thank you. Looks like you knew I was running out of silver. Thank you so much. These are going to come in handy. That's what I'm going to work on next on my projects. On the dangles. So I'm super excited about that. Oh, look at this. Look at this lovely handmade box and embellished. I love that. I love that. I would take a handmade box any day and embellished. I love it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I love it. Look at that. Oh, and I needed some beads. Thank you so much. These are gorgeous. Wow. These are awesome colors. You know, one of our next projects, or next swaps for April is dangling some dangles, and it's spring. The theme is spring colors, so these are going to come in handy. I love them. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love, love, love. Can't wait to put them to use. Thank you. I love them. Oh, nice. Very nice. Nicely done. I like the handmade envelope. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? I can reuse this envelope. Thank you. I like that. Thank you so much. Aw, friends, smile, and together. Isn't that cute? Aw, purple, my favorite color. I love this. Thank you so much. And in my favorite color too. Thank you so much, Kathy. I love it. That is so cute. Thank you. So cute. So many goodies. Thank you so much. This is amazing. Gosh, Kathy. You put me so many things. Look at this gorgeous flower. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. And look at that. She tied it just on there so we could still reuse the ribbon. What an idea. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I love it. So we can reuse the ribbon and the flower. Yep, that's what we crafters think about. A few cards I made part of a one sheet wonder cards. Winter, might be winter cards. Wonder cards. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. The writing was a little small and my eyes don't work as good as they used to anymore. Even with my glasses on, they just fail me. But, anywho. See, oh, look at the box. Handmade. I like that. I love to see things that are handmade and put together. I just love it. Oh, look at these beautiful cards. You're in my thoughts because I care. Oh, butterfly is my favorite. Get well. Thanks so much. Thinking of you. Thinking of you. Look at the beautiful flowers on that. Gorgeous. I love it. Happy birthday wishes. Happy birthday. Smile. And she even included some envelopes in there. awesome. Thank you, Kathy. Very, very nice. Nicely made. Thank you. And I love the box and everything. Thank you. That's so sweet of you. Thank you for sharing that with me. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Can't wait to use them. Oh, thank you for using this purple ribbon. My favorite color. Thank you. So it says number 1. So I'm guessing to open this one first because I think she might have, yeah, she labeled them. So number 1. Let's see what it says here. It says, Inez, open this and read before you open the packages. Labeled 1, 2, and 3. Oh, Kathy. Let's see what the game is. Aw, cats meow. Oh, how cute. Okay, it says, you said you liked Western, and this is the closest I could get. Okay, the paper is Perry Cheek by Bo Bunny. I decided I would let you embellish and make a charm and have enclosed some charms and a few bits and bobs. Oh, thank you. Feel free to alter any way you want. This is my version of a particularly constructed album. Okay. Kind of like a deconstruction tag at Mass. I enclosed the rest of my decorative paper and pieces of the cardstock I had left. Oh, thank you. I have fun and be creative. Have fun and be creative. I hope you like it. I'm sure I will, Kathy. Thank you so much. That's an awesome idea. The white paper where I put place photos here is on the repositional tape. Oh, okay. And can be removed when photos are added. Oh, thank you. That's an idea. Kathy, thank you. That's so sweet of you. For you to think up of something like that. Thank you. That's so nice. That makes it really personal. Thank you. Oh, look at this album, guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. I do like Western. A little bit about myself. I grew up in the country, so yes, I do love Western. I do. I don't live in the country anymore. I do live in town now, so, but I do love country. My parents still live out there, so I like going out there every now and then. Oh, look at that. Look. Place photo here. Here's her card with her info. Kathy Keimig. I love your last name, Keimig. I love saying it. And look at that. Here's oh, this opens up and it goes down and it flips open. Oh, how awesome. Kathy. Wow. This is wow, that's nice. And then it's a pocket here. Wow. This is awesome. And it's a pocket here. How awesome. And I love the paper. Looks like kind of like jeans. Oh, look at here. Here's a pocket here. And then, oh, look, she left me another little note there. It says, pull this tab down. This is a few types of waterfalls. Oh, okay. Okay. So it's a waterfall. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Oh, how awesome is that? Wow. Oh, wow. I can tell you put a lot of work into this. Thank you so much. Look at that. Go all the photos. Open by 4. This is pretty neat. Thank you so much. And then there's a tag here. And then there's this belly band right here. Well, not a belly band, but it will flap at the bottom. And put a picture in there. And this has a little pocket with the photo mat. Out of the paper, you can remove the, yeah, I remember she said it was removable. So that's pretty awesome. And then this comes out here. And this, oh look, this is a window. How awesome. And it opens this way, and this opens that way. How awesome. Wow. This opens up this way. You got a little embellishment there, maybe for some journaling. That's nice. And then this opens up this way. Oh, and then you got accordions. Look at that. Oh my goodness, on both sides. Wow. It magnetizes. I love the boots. And then this opens here. Look at that. Gorgeous. Kathy, I am blown away with this. This is awesome. Look at that. Gorgeous paper. I love the paper collection. I love it, love it, love it. I love all the interactive flips you put in the book, flaps and stuff, and pockets, and oh, it's just amazing, 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 amazing. Look at that. So much work. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Look at that. Awesome, ladies. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Kathy. This is so sweet. Thank you so much. So much. I love it. And I cannot wait to put my photos in there. This book is definitely going on display in my living room. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Look at that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love it. And this is not the last of it, so we still have a little bit more to go. Thank you so much, Kathy. You outdid yourself. You have really, really spoiled me. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Okay, so this is 2, so let's open 2. Here are all her embellishments. Oh, look at these beautiful flowers. They're blue jean flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, they're so nice. Look at that. So nice. And then here are all the embellishments. I'll just let you take a peek. Well, I guess we can open them. Let's move this out of the way here. Real quick. We can go through them real quick. Let's see what she enclosed in there. First I gotta open the bag. Alrighty. There we go. Here She's enclosed some ribbon. Lots and lots of ribbons. Different colors. We've got this really nice suede kind of looking feel to blue suede ribbon with some yellow, green, and brown. This is beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Thank you. And then she enclosed some brown and kind of like a blue, light blue kind of lace and some gold, brown, kind of western color. Gorgeous, gorgeous. She enclosed some charms that include a horseshoe, some boots, a feather, a star, some more charms with the rope, horseshoes, hold your horse, hold your horses, and this pretty blue stone, a little cowboy hat, a boot, oh I love the boot, and some little flowers there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you so much. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to use this and embellish the album with them. Once I do, I will video it so everybody can take a look at it. So I am super excited. Thank you so much. What an idea. I love it. Thank you, Kathy. Thank you, thank you. However, you did an astonishing job on the album itself. I am beyond impressed with your work. I love it. I love it. Oh, wow. So remember, she said she sent me some of the scraps that she had already used. And she used the paper line. She sent me the paper line she used to make the album. So, you know, finish to embellish and make some other things that I would like to make with them and finish out the album or add to my pictures. And then she sent me Bo Bunny, another little insert for the paper collection she used. So thank you so much. That was so thoughtful. That was an amazing idea to do. It was quite hard to do. Yes, it was. So thank you so much for putting that time into this. So thank you so much. And then thank you for sending me the extras. That was a nice gesture. So thank you so much. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be playing all night with that album. Thank you so much. I'm totally impressed. Oh, look at this gorgeous bag. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is so nice. Okay, let's open it here. Kathy, this is too much. You sent me way too many things. This is way too much. Thank you so much. Look at all this. Oh, wow. How awesome. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Little rosebuds kind of sort of ribbon. Purple with little rosebuds it is. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Little flowers. I've never seen anything like that. Purple roses kind of sort of. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then there's this kind of like mint rope color and some pink or mauve color kind of and purple. Oh, I love all this. Thank you so much. A khaki color. Thank you so much, Kathy. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, let's see what this is. I don't know if I'm going to be able to open it like that, so I am going to have to probably cut it. We'll just cut it back here. I can still reuse it. I have to cut it back here, and I can still reuse the ribbon in the front. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Some trim. Lacy trim. Oh, the hearts. Oh, that is beautiful. Thank you. Wherever did you find this? You know, I do most of my shopping for my ribbon and stuff at Walmart, and they don't have anything like this here where I'm from. I go 5 miles up the road to my closest Walmart, and they don't have anything like this. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you so much. This is going to come in so handy. Thank you, thank you. I love it. This is amazing, Kathy. You went beyond. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is so cute. I believe a while back there was a swap, something like this, that you had to put some words, and I didn't join that swap. But look at that. Thank you for sending me something like that. Now I can see what it looks like. Thank you. Not to mention, look at the lace. The ribbon. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Isn't that gorgeous? Almost looks like huge flowers, roses, white roses in there. Look at that. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use this. Thank you so much. And then I can display the little carton after I finish. Look at this, ladies. Look at this. Am I spoiled or am I spoiled? Look at that. This is gorgeous. And then she sent me all these different beads, rose beads. And I just ran low on my beads. Thank you so much. I needed some. Oh, I love these pink ones. They are gorgeous. I'm working on a project and I enclosed some of this kind, but not this color. I enclosed like a white. I might go back and change it. Thank you so much. Look at all these wonderful colors. Kathy, I can't believe this. Oh my goodness. Wow, thank you so much. I am so blessed. I'll tell you what. I am so blessed. Thank you, and I love this clip. Oh, that's so gorgeous. An embellished clothespin. Thank you. Thank you so much. Gorgeous. I love the little bow, the little flower, and the little feathers. Thank you, and the little lace on the bottom. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you. And I believe this is the last and final item. So, Kathy, thank you so very much. This was truly a box. Truly a box. Truly, truly. This was a huge surprise. And I did receive it, I believe, yesterday. Yes, yesterday. But I didn't have time to open it yesterday, so My son is off to the movies. My husband's uncle is down from Colorado, so he took him out this afternoon or tonight. So I'm home alone. So I decided to go ahead and open it and video the swap. So thank you so much, Kathy. I had this time alone and was able to enjoy all the goodies you sent me. So thank you. I love these. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, wherever did you find something like this? Thank you. I'm constantly using these and I'm constantly running out. Thank you so much. I needed some. Thank you. Well, Kathy, what can I say? Just thank you so much for everything you sent me. I love everything and I cannot wait to put it to use. So again, thank you. And I'm going to use everything you sent me. So thank you so much for spoiling me. So you made my day. So thank you everyone for watching. And if you have not checked out Mass, minialbumscraps.com, please do so. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. So thanks for watching again. Bye for now.